Hey there, still a little hoarse. It's Cecilia Morris here, your engineer by education and your home business owner by desire. And today I want to share with you how to use power lead systems in your business. So as I'm ramping up things for the last half of 2018, I mentioned, and if you're here, you might have seen my post that I'm offering a bonus for the next 30 days. I am doing a 30-day challenge with another group of mine to do a video a day for 30 days. And I am going to help you. Hey, Jackie, how are you? Thanks for joining in. It's so great to have you here. I am going to help you because for those of you who join in with me on this challenge for the next 30 days on August 1st, you will receive a very free, very special gift from me. So every day this month, I'm going to give you some tip, trick, tidbit of information that you can use to either build your business or to join my team. So that way you can get my personal help on building your business. So for those who don't know me, yes, I am a degreed engineer, but I am also, yep, you can hear me. That's great. I am a degreed engineer, but I am also a home-based business owner. And I've been in the home-based business network marketing space since, gosh, I won't tell you the date. We'll just say over 10 years. Also, excuse me, as early as 2016 was when I decided to take my business online to learn how to use digital marketing strategies to build my brand and my business. Since then, what I've been doing, starting January of 2018, not even 2 years later, I started my own personal coaching business where I help others use digital marketing strategies to build their business so they can avoid the pitfalls and the struggles that I ran into on my success journey. So with that being said, if this is your first time watching me, give me a 5 in the comments. If you have watched me before, give me a wave or a fist bump. If you are getting value, please like, comment, and share with those that you know. Feel free to share this out now as well. Oh, Jacqueline, you're so beautiful as well. And I love your updated pictures. You're gorgeous. So like I said, today we're going to talk about how to use power lead systems in your business. So I'm going to share with you exactly what I do. If you don't know what power lead systems is, it's a lead generation system that allows you to be able to not only introduce people to power lead systems, but also to share your primary business with them as well. And it allows you to earn commissions while you're building your business, because what do we all need in this journey that we're on? We're in it for the money, and we want to make sure that you have the right systems in place. You want to talk about systems all the time. What is a system? It's a way to save yourself stress, time, energy, and most importantly, money. So how do I use the power lead systems in my business, and how can you use it? Step 1 is you need to get signed up. Signing up is only $7 to get started. I was just in Las Vegas for the last 10 days, and believe you me, the money that gets thrown around out there is nothing less than crazy. But think about $7. What can you buy with $7? Well, in Vegas, you can't even buy a pack of cigarettes. Cigarettes start at $10 in Vegas for one pack of cigarettes. $7. For $7 here in Ohio, I can get 3 12 packs of pop for my dad for $12. Yeah, 3 12 packs for 12. For sometimes it's $10, but most of the time it's $12. But think about it, $7 is nothing. For every time that I get someone who joins my team for $7, I earn a $6 commission. $6 off of 7. And if you're on my team, I teach you how to do the same thing. With power lead systems, they give you the emails, they give you the follow-ups, they give you the autoresponder, they give you swipe copy that you can use. I mean, all of that is built in with power lead systems, all for your $7 investment. And that's where you get started. And then I tell my team, all right, so once you get started for your $7 investment, then you start making your own $6 using the system that I teach you as part of the team. Once you are consistently bringing in $6, then it's time to upgrade to gold. Gold is the $53.95 package. With that $53.95 package, you earn $20 a month for every person on your team that is at that $53.95 gold package. So that is your residual income that keeps coming in every single month. So let's think about that. If you've got 4 people on your team at the $53.95 package, you're bringing in $80 a month. $80 a month is paying for your your gold membership with Power Lead Systems. And then if you help those 4 get 4 using the system that I teach, then now you're going to be bringing in not only the $80 from your 4, but those 4, which will now be 16 who bought in 4, that's another $160. So now you're bringing in $240 a month, and it just keeps doubling and exponentially like that. Of course, in my training, I give you a lot more detail than what I'm going into right now. But the easiest and the fastest way to get started is to spend the $7, because you can throw away $7, and I'm sure you do many times a day, and then start promoting the $7 package as I teach you as part of my system. So that way you can start earning your own $6 commission and then teach your team how to upgrade, like I teach my team how to upgrade. And it is really just that simple. And it happens just that quickly. I mean, all this can happen for you within the first 14 days if you're serious about making some residual income quickly with your business. So where does the lead part come in? The lead part comes in because now that someone has opted in at the $6 level, what happens is you have their email address, and you can also promote your primary business, which is exactly what I do. So they've got lead lightning at the $7 level. I'm teaching them how to earn $6 commissions by showing others how to invest $7. And then I'm teaching them how to improve their skill set by investing in their intellectual capital to upgrade not only with Power Lead Systems, but also in their primary business. You don't have to be in my personal business because I show you how to make this work with any business. So if you click the link in the comments, which I will put in here shortly, actually, I'll go ahead and do it right now. The link in the comments, you can get your own free systems and it's, like I said, you can get started for the $7. So I'm putting a link in the comments. You can get your, hey, Kim, how you doing today? Glad to have you. You can get, cancel. I meant to hit enter. You can get your own free system where you too can start earning $6 commissions off a $7 investment. Now, remember, the goal of this is to give you some quick income. I'm glad, Kim, it doesn't matter that you're late. It's just great to have you. The goal of this is to make sure that you are getting some quick commissions. And people are like, well, $6 isn't a lot. Okay, well, add that times 10. That's just $60. Add it times 20. That's $20. So if every day that you're promoting, I said $20, $120. If every day that you are promoting Lead Lightning, and you don't have to pay for promotions. I'm talking, post in groups, post on your own page, share your own experience. And Power Lead Systems, they give you the emails that you can use. It's not like you have to make, where did my mouse go? Oh, shoot, I think my battery just died. There it is. It's not like you have to make all this up on your own. They give you the systems and the tools that you can use to promote for free. And the training is in the back office as well. And if you join my team, which is to be part of my private Facebook group, Online Business Success Partners, you get my personal training to show you step by step how to use Power Lead Systems to go from $6 commissions to $20 residuals to $100 commissions if you so choose. But most importantly, if you already have your own primary business, you will learn from my team how to use Power Lead Systems to promote your own primary business, all from a $7 investment. And you don't have to upgrade. Even if you stay at $7, that $7 is a one-time investment, but you can keep earning $6 residuals over and over and over again if you use the promotional strategies that I teach. All right, so that is my training for today on how to use Power Lead Systems in your business. If you want more detail on that, give me a 7 in the comments. If you want my personal training on how to use it for your primary business, type OBSP in the comment, and I will send you the link to my private Facebook group. Once again, that's OBSP, which stands for Online Business Success Partners. And I will give you the link to the group. You can join, and you will get my personal private blueprint on how to use Power Lead Systems in your business. So I hope you got some value out of that today. Remember, today is day 1 of my 30-day challenge. Thank you for those who joined. If you join in with me live and engage for the next 30 30 days, you will get an amazing free gift from me on August 1st. And that's for everybody. It's not exclusive, but you got to join in for 30 days straight. All right, Miss Kim, I will make sure you get that link. But you got to join in for 30 days straight. And then if you can't join it too, because I know people are on different schedules and they work, you have from 2 p.m. Eastern until 12 a.m. Eastern, the day of the video, to make a comment, give a hashtag replay if you're watching the replay, and you are still entered in, I won't call it a contest. It's my giveaway, my free gift giveaway. All right, that's it for me today. I am Cecilia, your engineer by education, your home business owner by desire. And I hope that you are interested in learning how to use digital marketing strategies to build your brand and your network or affiliate marketing business online, because that's my specialty and that's what I can help you do. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.